We're here at Bradenton NMCA. This is the first event of the season. We're here. We got a brand new setup this year. Last year we were kind of just, F450 pickup truck trailer.
Hi.
You can see this setup is amazing. So tons of shade. This one actually has sides that'll come down on it. It's raining, inclement weather, whatever. But hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough. More suspension tuning. Trying to get a little bit more bite in the car to go down the track. Keep from pulling the front end up to the sky. More power into it. I think that's the plan too, eh?
It's always important. It's about a swing and a half. Oh, that's good.
So here, this is Kimmy Mapes. He's the tuner for my car. Works with his dad over there is Big Kim. So he's actually the head guy at Watson. He's the one that builds all the engines and the cars and everything else like that. And Kimmy's the son, and he's the one that's on the keyboard. So just tell us a quick little bit about yourself.
Yeah, we both work at Watson Racing. We're from Detroit, Michigan area. We've been there for about 9 years now probably, but we work on Cobrajets, and we're getting started on these DragPaks now, trying to get them figured out, and this is actually the first one that we've been working on here, but it's getting better and better. We're struggling a little bit this weekend, but we're working hard at it. We're not sitting around, that's for sure.
And a DragPak Challenger. David Davies and Jim Betts. Your number one qualifier, 7.807. Jim Betts, the colorful Cobrajet. That's a 2019 model, based out of Michigan over on the right-hand side. Number one qualifier, 780 at 177 for mile an hour. And David Davies, your number four qualifier, the 2021 DragPak out of Ohio. He's the CEO of Constant Aviation. I guess that means that he likes doing wheelies since he is in the air. He's qualified number four at 789. So both of them obviously looking to improve and maybe set the bar. But again, these cars very, very touchy when it comes to getting the starting line right. You put too much power to them, instant tire smoke. There is no tire chatter here. And both of them got it right. 119 to the 60-foot for Betts. He is pulling away again. 779, 177. The Cobrajet, the first car to enter the 7.7-second range, and he will strengthen his grip on number one. 785 for David Davies. That moves him from number four to number two at 177.3 mile an hour. Single for a DragPak here on the right-hand side, and there's that traction balance I talked about. Front end was in the air. The power came in a little too quick for Dennis Chasen. And as soon as it smokes the tires, you might as well just lift and save the parts and pieces. There is no sense in beating on it, because you're not going to get a better number than what you've already got. 791 to 175 is what he qualified with, so he'll stay in the number 8 spot for now.
By the time we got up there, that whole lane was concrete. I tried to move you way the fuck over.
I saw that.
Yeah, but he was...
Well, I mean, the conditions were shit, so...
It was horrible. Yeah. You're the only one that went down that lane. Everybody else spun. Yeah. Shit, we got a lot out.
So he's going to get on the ladder here on this one.
Now what?
What a day. That's it.
Been rough.
Yeah. Yeah, not fun to figure out what's going on with this car. Although, I guess there's nothing left on that track. Everybody spun in that lane, so it's hot, it's greasy. The car's making a ton of power. They had so much power pulled out of that car, but it's just making so much power. So, well, going to eliminations tomorrow. Hopefully we don't spin and make some room or make some moves. Weather's a heck of a lot better today, so track should be better. You know, we had last minute, converter change last night. Guys really got after us a couple hours, probably till about 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. They're definitely putting the work in. You know, it won't be for a lack of trying, that's for sure. You know, it's like someone, you change one little thing on that car and all of a sudden it just becomes like a chain reaction. The car's making a lot more power than it was before, and now we're just fighting the suspension a little bit. But you know, every run we make, every time we spin, we learn something from it. And they come back and they adjust and make some corrections, and we'll just kind of go from there. So unfortunately, we got our buddy Mark, my good buddy Mark Heiding's first round. I was number 9, he was number 12. So I think we're 8th pair out. And after that, whoever gets by him will get Skillman. So we don't have an easy side of the ladder for sure. So if we're gonna go rounds, we're gonna be earning it every single step of the way. But anything can happen. The car's got the power. We just got to get it to the ground. So fingers crossed. It's gonna be a good day.
So our next pair should be Gardner Stone and Jason Deach. But this one also a single pass, as Jason Deach has gone missing. The trailer man does not stage his 2018 Cobrajet on the right-hand side, so the 2016 Mustang of Gardner Stone, the number 4 qualifier, will get a single pass on the left-hand side. .121 on the 60-foot for Gardner Stone. 5:02 at the 8th mile. 780, but a whole lot of smoke out of the top end. 780 at 173, a whole lot of smoke. All right, so we are going to be down. Ladies and gentlemen, please stay where you are and get out of the way so we can send the emergency personnel down. Everybody, please stay on the starting line. Everybody, please stay on the starting line as I am watching the replay here on Flow Racing.
Well, it all happens so fast you really can't think about it. But as far as being in an accident, I've been in them before with dirt modifieds and so on. It really didn't bother me. You hate hurting the car, you hate blowing the motor and so on. But as far as getting upset, I'm not, because if you're going to race, sooner or later something's going to happen. You just know it's going to happen. And I've been running Cobrajet since year 13. This is the first motor I've lost. So I feel that I'm on a big grace period anyway. And, I got out of the car laughing. It was kind of fun going around in a circle on it. I'm kind of used to this. It's fun, but You know, I guess when you're 80 years old, you shouldn't be doing this, but I'm having a damn good time.
Dennis Chasen and Mark Heidings, our next pair. The Marco Island Florida Base 2021 DragPak for the Canuck over on the right-hand side, and the Plain White Rapper DragPak over on the left-hand side for Chasen. Jason qualified number 9 at 791, 809 for the number 12 spot for Heidings. We have a green light start and the whole shot for the underdog. Can Chasen come around? No. Heidings, the best pass up for them for the weekend. 789 at 177 by 0.2 of a second. Heidings improves and Chasen falls off to an 806 at 172. Heidings, the number 12 qualifier, gets the win.
$177.11. Let me see. Was it feel good?
Yeah, I held second gear a little too long.
Hit the limiter?
No, it didn't. Dude, we didn't hit the limiter, but the light was on for a little longer than it normally was. So
I moved the limiter up like 300 RPM.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All that work paid off, though. It all paid off.
All worthwhile, man.
Oh,
Good job.
Oh,
Good job.
Good job, Dennis! One more! Good job! Woohoo! That feels good, doesn't it? God, it's just good.
Skillman. Skillman, the number 2 qualifier in the Valvoline and Ray Skillman Ford-backed Mustang on the right-hand side out of Indiana. He qualified number 2 at 784. 791 was the qualifying time for Dennis Chasen. He went 789 in his first round. Whole shot going to Dennis Chasen in the DragPak. Skillman is already around him, top end says 775. 185 miles an hour for Bill Skillman. That will move him on to round number 3. 789 and 175 for Chasen.
Well, we gave it our best, but came up a little short. Hey guys, this is DragPak Dennis. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment on the video. That'll let me know if you like what you're seeing. Take care all, we'll see you next time.